The holidays this year will be different. Celebrations may be smaller or even virtual, but no matter where your friends and family are, we can still give thanks. And no matter the challenges, food always brings people together. So this year, I'm moving the holidays outside. Why not? Let's start cooking. I'm making my grilled butterfly turkey with a lemon pepper glaze. Very simple. Let's start with the glaze. All right, in my pan here, I'm just gonna bloom the pepper. To bloom a spice, all you have to do is either toast it or heat it in oil to amplify the flavor. So just some oil and some pepper go down, and then just move it around. You're gonna start bubbling real soon. You're gonna smell that pepper. All right, so I've got some honey here. It's gonna bring in some sweet and relax the pepper, but it's also gonna help us glaze. And some Worcestershire sauce right in. All right, just move that around. Sounds so good. All right, we've got ourselves some lemon zest and lemon juice. So that's gonna go right into our pan with the glaze. Just stir that around. All right, while this cooks down and starts to reduce and become our glaze for our turkey, let's get that bad boy onto the grill. Oh, this big boy. All right. Now, this is a butterflied turkey. It's gonna take less time to cook because it's butterflied. So first thing I wanna do is get under the skin, and you can see how my finger is between the skin and the flesh of the bird. I got some butter here. Just put those cubes in there. And that's gonna help flavor up the meat. Just push that butter in there. Now this turkey was brined. That just means I soaked it in water with sage, thyme, and lemon. You're gonna let it hang out in there for about 3 days so it really gets into the meat. Okay, now let's treat the skin. So I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil. I kind of like to massage it on. Make sure you get it everywhere. And then, because I knew my hands were gonna be all turkeyed up, I've got a salt and pepper blend right here. Just gonna pull from and all over the top. Don't forget the legs. All right, there you have it. So I've got my grill set, 400 degrees. You're gonna start it skin side down on the direct heat, okay? Give it a nice little press. You can see some of the peppercorn and the thyme, still some of that flavoring from the brine makes you feel really good about all that time you took. So this is gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. We're just going for color on that skin side. All right, let's check on this turkey. Oh, yes. All right, bird. Look at this baby. Oh, come on. Come on. Now that's a fire. Beautiful. Now, remember this glaze? Just get that glaze over the top. Look at how luscious this is. And this is the perfect texture. You don't want it too drippy, so it'll just drip right off your bird and go right into the grates. I'm gonna close this up and cook this bird for, 1 to 2 hours. It really depends on the weight. Don't forget those wings. All right, everything is glazed. I'm gonna cover this bird up. All right. Okay, I think it's time. Oh, that's a beautiful bird, let me tell you. Now let me get this baby off. Remember, it's gonna take less time to cook. Oh, it's so gentle and tender because it's butterflied. Look at that beautiful baby. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. And the skin looks so delicious. Oh, look at that. I just want to get in there. Get some of this skin, crispy goodness. Look at that. It's deliciousness on 10. I'm gonna cover this baby up so it can do the rest of its carryover cooking. So delicious.